All right, I've loaded the server into your vehicle. You're good to go. Try not to drive it off a cliff,
Still can't believe I let a fucking computer talk me into this. Cheers, mate.
CTOS-AR. Data reconstruction in progress.
This will do. Remain in the area until I've downloaded enough data to the server. Download complete. I need a wider sample of data, so I'm pushing you the coordinates to a new location. This is brilliant. Look at this. It's compiling data from the surveillance infrastructure. Nearby CTOS drones, civilian optics, CCTV, and then it assembles those scraps into what happened in this location 24 hours ago. Fantastic.
Can anyone see the suspect? Ready to ram the vehicle. Over. Received, we are in pursuit. Immobilize that vehicle!
You're too far. I'm served from your optic, so I need you to stay within range.
All units, disengage. Suspect has disappeared.
CTOS-AR. Data reconstruction in progress.
All right, scraping data from optics, CTOS cameras, microphones, laptops. Say, do you reckon SRS uses this to watch people shag? Fucking hell, do they use it for anything but watching people shag?
Bagley, we've got company.
Well, shit, can you do anything to lose your new friends? Maybe invite them to a pottery night or overshare something personal. Whatever you do, just get to the last location in one piece.
Fuck it. All right.
Transfer complete. I'm missing one last data set. Pushing you the coordinates to the location now.
CTOS-AR. Data reconstruction in progress.
It's still on me, Bagley.
Don't let the drones destroy the server before I'm done. Get out of the lorry and take care of them. Shoot them, throw rocks at them, destroy them psychologically with cyberbullying. Just keep them busy until the transfer's complete.
This is a nightmare.
Suspect! Ah! Let's take this up a notch.
I'm trapped here!
Direct hit! Ah!
Ben! This is on you!
They're shooting!
Is commencing for the Global British Broadcasting Network.
Moving!
All right, I've got it. Now, we can't lug around this server forever. We should probably wipe our prints off it anyway.
I'm listening.
I'll overload the CPUs to cause a power spike and destroy the battery unit. The electromagnetic pulse should destroy both the server and the drones. So, you know, run! Well, that was fun, wasn't it? We pulled off a heist, made life a bit harder for the tyrants of the world, and most importantly, I got a new toy to play with. Now, run along back to the safe house. Sabine wants you and your new teammates for a briefing.
Well done, team. It's good to see the safe house filling up again. The only way we're going to keep London from falling into total oppression is by rebuilding the resistance. We need to recruit, train, build back our arsenal. The people are itching to rise up and take their city back. We just need to show them that DedSec are fighting along with them.
To be honest, I think I'd be put to better use in the skull-cracking department. I'm sure Albion's turning a tidy profit. Those cunts are treating London like a hostile takeover.
Lest we forget Clan Kelly either. Their little fiefdom gets larger and more dangerous by the day.
Fair, but remember that this zero-day hacker group is still out there. They took out DedSec once, and it's a good bet they'll try again. I believe they were responsible for the bombings and framed DedSec. With your help, I plan to get to the bottom of this mystery.
I'd say that's a full docket. Enough talk. Let's unfuck London.
Maybe.
I found a lead that may help us unravel more about Zero Day and the bombings we ate shit for. I've picked up an encrypted signal from the Tone conference site that's been broadcasting on a loop since the night of the bombing. Go investigate. You might even get to try out that fancy new AR tech we stole. I mean, creatively shared.
I was supposed to be here that day. Thank you, dodgy pub filled. I'd be lying here dead with the rest of them otherwise.
And yet all these months later, it's crawling with security. Suspicious, no?
Just what I was thinking. What am I looking for, Bagley?
Any kind of device or component that could still be emitting the signal. It seems to be coming from within the rubble.
These days, the law's just a cudgel for the powerful. It's about time we took on someone who knows how to swing it.
Ironically, running an illegal resistance group would be easier if we had someone to consult for legal advice.
Hasn't spoken for nearly a week. You know why? She's got a piercing. Wouldn't you know it? A ton. Blimey. And she was such a sweet girl. And you know why they're doing it, don't you? It's the oral sex. Oh, I think I might vomit.
He's looking to automate our jobs, mate. This is no joke.
Director Cass? You're serious? Who told you that?
Friend over in R&D. The shit he's told me about background checks and knowing who's going to be useful to Albion, who's going to be a problem.
You that worried about your job? This is a PMC. They already do background checks on all of us.
But you don't get it. He was talking about the general population, not just us employees. How bad is it that everyone has to be watched that closely?
Well, look around. It's fucking bad. And Cass is going to do what he has to keep it from getting worse. Suggest you do the same.
What the fuck?
This is it. The signal is coming from this spider-bot fragment. No indication yet who it belongs to.
Something's completely mangled it. Christ. What's it doing here?
Difficult to say, but with an AR reconstruction, we may be able to see what happened to it and if it relates to the attack. Access data relays in the vicinity, and I can compile enough data to build the AR reconstruction.
Ah, yes, another one.
Perfect. 2 more data relays to go. One more data relay and I'll have it. That should do it. Now I'll just take the audio from this stream and the video from these 36 and... got it. Go back to where you found that spider-bot and I'll show you the AR reconstruction from the night of the explosion.
Grand.
CTOS-AR. Data reconstruction in progress.
You brought the payload? Fuck, think we'd go back for you? Don't trust the Kelly dog.
Kelly? Wait, isn't Clan Kelly? You're telling me those gangster fucks had something to do with all of this?
Looks more like the Kellys were acting as a supplier. This was a handoff.
So, who was it they were meeting? It didn't seem close. Maybe 0 Day?
Well, don't just stand there. Keep looking.
Bagley, can you work out who was running that spider bot?
I've now fully decrypted the signal the Spider-Bot is broadcasting. And while I cannot identify a specific user, it is a call code used by the Metropolitan Police Service.
Good God. So the bloody police were watching this whole time?
The reconstruction continues behind that rubble.
We don't have some kind of quantum tunneling device in the shed somewhere, do we?
Quantum tunnel technology is at least 10 years away, but Spider-Bots and drones are here today. You could try one of those if you don't feel like waiting.
Good idea.
Why don't you aim those human eyeballs of yours at the van's cargo?
Grand.
RDX nitrogen, and the exact same detonator system like the bombs that were planted at Parliament.
0 Day.
There, hurry. We've got other deliveries.
So you were hired to supply all the targets? Shut it, we're all on need to know.
Fuck me. So 0 Day was using a bunch of groups to pull off the bombings.
That's certainly one way to pull off a massive coordinated attack while remaining anonymous. 0 Day needed manpower and resources, but they needed them at an arm's length. And it doesn't take the world's greatest AI detective to see that both Clan Kelly and Albion benefited in the aftermath. Unfortunately, this is the most we can get out of the AR reconstruction. But if we could find the mystery officer who was spying through the Spider-Bot, maybe they could tell us more. Tracing the Spider-Bot serial number, it was assigned to New Scotland Yard 3 years ago. Perhaps more information about its user or its assignment will be available at the station.
So the police were onto the real bombers, but they kept their mouths shut for some reason. Doesn't add up. We don't have all the facts yet.
The only way to know for sure is to investigate New Scotland Yard.
Christ. Albion's taking this place over like a fucking parasite.
And the entire police service. But don't worry, if you're not pleased with your privatised goon squad, just take your business across the street.
Didn't think I could feel bad for the English police. Fucking hell.
Not to worry, the only difference now is the uniform, assault weapons, and the fact they're motivated by profit over public service. Now, any record or information on the Spider-Bot will be further in.
what you're gonna do.
Hey, yo, it's Vengence! Global British Broadcasting Network. This area is being recorded by the GBB.
Prisoner released. I'll make sure they know who to thank.
You don't know me, but I heard we might have some mutual interests.
Yo, you with NetSec? Oh, fucking brill. You know I could use your help. I need you to help me get back at the prick who fucked me over.
We're not hired guns if that's what you're after.
I'm no fuck either. I'm a car thief, alright? I made my dosh lifting wheels for this pagan. I was nicking this Peng supercar, yeah? Next thing I know, I'm bleeding out and the boss man's got the whip. I survived and the pagan's driving around in that Peng whip. Look, I want you to steal it from him. Do me a solid and I'll repay you sometime.
This will be fun.
Now that you've helped them, they might be willing to talk to us.
Bagley, is this our spider bot?
According to the serial numbers, this matches the piece of spider bot from the Tone bombing site.
Can you ID the last user?
Navigate the spider bot from out of that room. I'll need a direct connection in order to learn more from our bisected friend.
I'm on it.
That's a part of the remote detonator system from Parliament. If the Met, or Albion rather, actually analysed it, they would see it wasn't DedSec's handiwork at all. That opening right there looks like a good exit point. Right, get comfy. This spiderbot might be broken and missing some of its legs, but it can still jump and fit through vents.
Hello?
That's a good way to get through the station undetected.
Handsome. Are you talking in the... Are you mute there?
No.
Huh?
No, I can't mute this PC. I can only mute PlayStation.
Oh.
Oh, there you go. Come on, you stupid spider bot. Jump. Jump. Oh, God. Oh, wait. Can I go through here? No. Jump. Jump. I believe in you. Got it. Wait, what?
That's Dalton's mask. It must have been recovered from Parliament. It might be the only thing left of him now.
Oh, there we go. Gotta get into this vent. Oh, never mind. Come on, jump, you spider bot. Alright. There we go.
Spider-Man.
How is this thing walking, dude? It's like broken as shit.
Oh,
no!
No!
Oh,
I'm full.
What'd you eat over there?
Same thing, like baked potato and corn and no carrots and applesauce and coleslaw. I'm still.
Wow, you ate a lot over there.
Dad, she gave me a piece of cake to take home, so I ate it. Yeah, I'm full. I'm good. It's those frosted cake, whatever you put in the fridge.
Yeah.
It was good. Well, I'm full now.
That's cool.
Buggery fuck, would you look at all this junk? You'll have to jump your way across to get to the next vent opening.
Why can't a game be about shooting and stuff like that? But no, let's do platforming and a Watch Dogs game. Spider-Bot is really born part of this game. Oh, there we go.
Decided they couldn't be trusted to do their jobs. Suddenly some corporation could clean up our streets better than the same police force we've had for who knows how long. When crime fighting is treated like a business, crime will never go away. That would be bad for business, right? So don't tell me Albion has our best interests at heart. So
If the police could handle their job, Albion wouldn't be necessary. But they can't. The tone bombing is the perfect example.
There we go.
Bunch of lazy, overpaid cops who sleep at the wheel. Well, they're not at the wheel anymore, are they?
How? Okay. What?
What?
Hooah.
What?
Hooah.
You're almost there. Make your way through this last vent path.
Yay, I'm out of there. Thank you. Now let's get the flip out of here.
Got it.
Scanning Spider-Bot and accessing its internal drives. While I'm analysing this data, you should make yourself scarce. Unless you'd like to explain to your new, heavily armed, privatised police force why you've broken into the station.
Fine.
The Spider-Bot fragment you found has a satellite-based GPS module that regularly pushed its location to a specific ground station.
A secret location? None of this makes sense. We better go check it out.
Pushing you the ground station's coordinates.
Now to find the way in.
I'm detecting a surveillance network guarding a space under this bridge. If you can patch into it, perhaps you can take a look inside. The GPS history of the Spider-Bot we recovered regularly pinged these coordinates. Our mystery witness to the real bombers must have come to this lovely, damp location several times.
It's remote. Good place to fly under the radar.
Or to discreetly dump a body into the Thames.
Oh, you can destroy this? I didn't know that. No, you can't. It's filled with light. What the frick?
Oh!
Stupid bot. Get away from me. Alright. Got it. Hey!
What, babe?
You shooting me?
Who's shooting you?
Some a-hole.
Oh.
Alright. Got it. Deploying rootkit. We'll do that. Let's see.
Well, tiddle me bollocks. It's like a wee little cop station here.
I'm so dumb. My stomach looks like I'm
Well, if Albion was stopping all over your workplace, you'd find a different place to store your lunch too. And it seems our mystery officer was dedicated.
What's the matter, Bessie?
Would you? But what were they working on that would lead them to the town bombing?
You miss your mommy? No, that's what you do is like,
But there may
no.
still be something useful on it.
Huh?
What's up?
Nada? Just here, my babe. Here.
Mm-hmm.
Just here. Petting Bessie.
This is Inspector Caitlin Lau. Well,
I had to clear her mess when I got home. I was like, oh, Betty, you did that.
The police brass had already buried the evidence anyway. Everything implicating Albion and Clan Kelly in the bombings. But I know Mary Kelly's band of twats were involved. And they're involved in other crimes we can look into.
Ooh, we have a cop on our side.
You're a cop in the side?
No, we have a cop that is not corrupt.
Oh, okay. I thought you said a cook.
Let's recruit her.
I heard you can recruit bad or good cops. I think, because you know they hate this. I don't know.
I don't have all the details, but it looks to be human trafficking. The European Processing Center is the Albion.
You still a grandma or you a different person?
I'm my main character.
Call them illegal
Oh, your
immigrants,
main
potential
character.
dead sick insurgents, whatever. Though we know who the real danger is. So Clan Kelly gets hold of these people, these immigrants, deportees, victims, really, and they're taking them somewhere. But where and why? It all comes back to the boss lady herself. I knew she was into something, but she wriggled off the hook. There's only one way I can do this. 24/7 surveillance on Mary Kelly.
Wow.
If I'm caught, well, this will be my last entry. But I have to see what she's hiding.
So, our mystery officer was Inspector Caitlin Lau. It sounds like Mary Kelly was her white whale, and her investigation led her to the bombings.
This is all starting to come together. I knew Albion were grade A cunts, but working with Clan Kelly gave them something to hide.
It seems like 0 Days Web covers all of the unsavory bits of London. Tug on a thread, and it leads back to them. Clan Kelly and Albion included.
They're taking people off the streets. 0 Day or not, we have to do something.
Inspector Lau mentioned Albion is running their part of the operation out of the EPC. Detectives like us call that a lead.
Back.